So we've rolled forward to the next budget cycle. We're going to want to now enter in correct HR information for this budget cycle. When you are rolling over or rolling forward your personnel templates, it's important to note that this procedure could only be completed once. To roll your HR templates in Gravity forward to the next fiscal year or to the next budget cycle, we're going to have to click here on the data in the blue ribbon of Gravity, click on Budgeting, then New Budget Cycle, HR Template. Here we're going to select which year we want to work on. We're going to go 2025 to 2025. We're going to move here from Requested to Proposed. And once we've done that, we can click OK, and our HR template will roll to the next cycle. Additionally, if it were the case that we were to roll to the next year, we would need to select the next fiscal year inside of this menu. If you would like to keep your old personnel template, we're going to have to create it by clicking on the three dots to the right of any object, Create Sibling, Smart Templates, then Budgeting, HR, selecting the period and the budget cycle that you wish to keep on file. Now you have all the tools you need to continue using Gravity's HR templates and accurately report your personnel information.